I just got a box of 300 lens and screen cleaning wipes. Let's check them out. All right, so let's open this up. I really love that you get 300 individually wrapped products of these. These are such high quality wipes, and you're really going to be able to use them anywhere. You can tear them apart if you just want to have a few with you, or you can put a whole bag, a whole handful in your bag, and just other things like that. So these are really great, and let's go ahead and start using some on some of these products because they're great on like computer screens, your lenses, and glasses as well. So they tear extremely easily, and they come pre-moistened, so you don't have to do anything but just rub these on your glasses or computer screen or anything like that. So I have this really dirty phone screen, so I'm just going to use this wipe to clean it off. And once this dries, it does not leave any type of smudge or residue behind at all, which is really great. So once it's clean, it's completely clean and you don't have to worry about any other marks being on your phone once it dries. And you can also use it on the back of your phone for the lenses. So these are safe. These are made out of very high quality fibers, so they're not gonna scratch any of your lenses for your cameras. All right, and I'm gonna use these on my glasses as well. I have some very dirty sunglasses and my glasses as well. Always having my fingers on them. So let me open this up and then we'll clean one of our glasses and see how well this works. All right. And we want to get the inside as well. And I love that these are pre-moistened and they just feel such good quality. I can really tell that these are made well. And I love that these are individually wrapped so I can just have these on the go. So if I ever need to clean my glasses when I'm not at home, I can just have one of these in my backpack and I'll have clean glasses. And then the same for my glasses. Again, these are pretty dirty. I'm always cleaning them and I feel like they're never clean. I'm just sort of moving the dirt instead of removing the dirt. And this will absolutely remove that dirt for you. These lens and screen cleaning wipes are perfect. You can see I clean my glasses and my phone and there's no debris left over. They dried very quickly and they're finally clean. I don't think I've ever had them these clean before. So I really love this product. It's high quality. You get 300 in this box and you have them individually packaged so you can keep them at home or you can put some in your purse, in your backpack, and have them at work for all of your needs. You can clean your computer screens, your keyboards, your lenses, your phone, and your glasses and sunglasses. It's really multi-use and it's perfect for anyone who's always having dirty screens and glasses and such. I think you're gonna enjoy these cleaning wipes as much as I do.